everyone, Dina here, and I'm so excited to introduce something brand new to the channel, the Creative Color Challenge. This series is all about pushing ourselves creatively, discovering new color combinations, and making something beautiful straight from our stashes of beads, or yarn, or paint, anything goes. And the inspiration behind all of this comes from an incredible tool that I love using, the Color Cube by Sarah Renae Clark. If you've never heard of it, the Color Cube is a set of 250 curated color palettes per volume, each displayed on its own card. Every card includes a gorgeous photograph, plus a selection of color swatches pulled from that photo. It's like having a pocket-sized creative spark, perfect for the jewelry designers, crocheters, painters, really anyone who works with color. I'll have a link in the description so you can explore it for yourself, learn more, and even grab a set if you want to join me. So here's how the Creative Color Challenge works. Every month, I will ask AI to pick two random numbers, one from Volume 1 and one from Volume 2. Those numbers lead me to two different palette cards. Then I dig through my stash and pull together options inspired by those palettes. Sometimes it's a perfect match, sometimes it's just a direction, and sometimes I find new beads I forgot I even had. I'll take pictures of those beads and post them as a poll right here on YouTube. Your vote determines the winner. The poll usually runs about a week, giving everyone time to choose their favorite palette. And once the winner is chosen, that's when the real fun starts. I'll create one, and most likely more, jewelry projects inspired by that color palette. They might be earrings, a bracelet, a necklace, or something completely different. And depending on the design, I'll also put together optional project kits in my Etsy shop so you can follow along at home with the exact materials I use. These kits will include beads, pendants, chain, jump rings, wire, thread, needles, whatever is required for that specific design. Everything is labeled, organized, and packaged safely so you can jump right in. And the best part? You can take the challenge too. Each month, go through your own stash, whether that's beads, yarn, embroidery floss, polymer clay, or anything else you love working with, and see what you can create using the chosen color palette. This is all about creativity, exploration, and stretching your imagination. So, will you take the challenge? Let's make this a monthly tradition and see where the color takes us. The first Creative Color Challenge poll goes live in January 2026, so keep an eye on the community tab. I can't wait to see which palette you choose, and I can't wait to create along with you.